Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix MECCHA CHAMELEON game not launching or not opening won't start error on PC. So let's go through the method. The very first method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Device Manager. After that, here you have to expand display adapters. Now select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to run the game as administrator. For that, select the game under library section, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here, you have to select the application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and now launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, and here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. So if you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now once the game is added, you have to select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update option. Here you have to click on check for update. This will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. So after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once you have downloaded, you have to open it, and here you will get a repair or install option. Click on it, click on yes and wait for some time, and after it is finished, close this. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if the game is opening or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and log into it, and finally reinstall MECCHA CHAMELEON game once again, and then click on the play button to check if it's working now.